Sorry?
Are you part of the Met?
Am I part of the Met?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a Met police officer.
Take that badge off.
What badge?
Don't be stupid. That badge, you know what badge I'm talking. Take it off, it's banned.
The auditor immediately points out the thin blue line badge. Keep in mind, these badges were actually banned by the Met Police themselves, so every officer should be aware of this. When the officer pretends not to understand what's being discussed, it's not genuine confusion, it's dismissiveness. That smug, play dumb, and hope it goes away attitude is all too common when officers are being called out for misconduct.
That badge.
Okay.
Take it off.
Are you part of the...
Take it off.
I'm okay at the moment, thank you.
It's banned.
Okay.
You're not supposed to be wearing it.
Well, if someone else tells me that, they can
What
tell
do you
me
mean
that.
somebody else?
Huh?
Like who?
Camera's on and recording.
You want him to tell you? He's already told you. Take it off.
Okay.
It's banned.
I've not been told by anybody
It's
else to take it
banned.
off.
It's
Can
a
I help
banned
you?
badge. No, you can't. Yeah, you can take that off.
I'm okay at the moment.
Otherwise, Foxtrot Oscar, get out of here.
I'm okay at the moment.
Go
Why
away.
are you recording inside
Go
the
away.
police
Don't
station?
tell me anything. Who are you?
I'm PC
Identify
Saunders,
yourself.
2011 Alpha Whiskey.
Take the badge off.
No, I'm good.
Have you got any badges?
Hello, sir. I'm PC Hunt attached Charing Cross. My body worn is on.
And what's your number?
1617. You can see it here.
We
And
have
you?
seen that you're...
What's your number?
What you can see here.
What is your number?
1216.
Listen, we're being
Okay,
respectful
don't
to
listen
you.
to me.
We're
Don't
being
listen to
respectful
me. I don't
you.
care.
So
Go
listen
away.
to what
Go
we're saying. You
away.
can't
No, I'm not
record
going to listen
inside
to
the
what I
building.
can. I'm not
Not
going to listen
inside the
to. Yes, I
building.
can.
Here, the officer claims that recording inside the building is prohibited. However, that's simply not accurate under the law. Filming from a public space into a police building is completely legal. It's the responsibility of the police to protect sensitive information within the building, not to stop lawful recordings from outside.
And I'm not going to listen to what you're going to say.
You're very
All right?
aggressive.
Yeah, because you're coming
You're
up
very
to me and he's
aggressive.
wearing a badge
Why are you
that's
filming?
banned.
Why are you filming,
Take it
sir?
off.
I'm okay, thank you.
Tyrant.
Sir, why
I'm
are you
sorry,
filming?
Tyrant.
what's happening there?
What's
Hello?
happening? He's wearing a defaced badge. That's what's happening. That's what's happening, isn't it?
No.
Yes, it is. It's
Sir.
defaced. Take it off.
No.
You're part of the Metropolitan Police and I'm a member of the public and I'm offended by it.
Okay.
I'm offended.
So can we have your name?
So take it off.
Can I have your name, sir?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Not.
Okay.
The 2011 your cab number's going to be 255.
That's right. Zip
So
it
what-
all
why are
up.
we
Zip
filming-
up. Zip
why are we
up.
filming today,
Shut
sir?
up. Don't tell me nothing.
Why are we filming
Out of my
today,
way.
sir?
Get out of my way.
What is your name?
What's your
Have
name?
a lovely day.
Huh? Say that again.
Have a lovely day.
Tell him. Take off his badge.
I don't need to tell him anything.
Why not?
I don't need to.
Yes, you do. He's
If you
wearing
speak
something
to me
which is.
politely, I'm willing to talk to you, but being very
Oh,
rude.
and you're going to
being
tell him
very
to take it off as well, yeah?
rude. Sorry?
And then you're going to tell him to take it off.
I'm alright.
Well then.
Sorry, can I
No,
speak with
tell
you?
him,
If it
tell
was
him,
your
tell him
house,
to take
what
it off.
would you say if I
Is this
start
your
filming
house? Is
inside
that your house?
Yes,
Is that
it
your
is.
house?
It's where I
You
work.
live there? Do you
It's
live
where I
there? Do you
work.
live there? Do you live there?
It's where
Stop
I work.
lying. It's not your house.
But do you
It's your
understand
place
this
of
is
work. No, I
police?
don't understand
Look,
you.
it's police.
Yes, so
Police.
what? Who gives a monkeys? I don't care.
Just move on with your day.
You get on with your day.
I will, thank you.
Go on then, off you
I
go.
will.
Foxtrot Oscar.
Once I see you
Dismiss.
stop recording
You're
this building,
dismissed.
I will.
I'm going to record
You're
it.
very rude. Wherever you put
You're
this, I hope
rude.
people see you're really rude.
You're rude.
I've approached you quite nicely.
You don't need to approach me at all.
I do when you're recording inside the
No, you
police
don't.
station through the
I
window.
can
It's
do
just
it.
quite weird. It's
No,
rude
I don't care if
behaviour.
it's weird,
Very
but I can
weird.
do it, yeah?
Why are we
Sorry?
recording
I can
today, sir?
record there, yeah?
I don't know why you're trying to
No,
trick us.
but I
with
can
everything.
do it. It's not a trick.
as well.
It's not a trick. I'm
Right,
telling you, I
it's
can
pathetic
do
what
it.
you're doing. You need to
And you're
lie.
pathetic as well.
The officer labels the auditor as pathetic for supposedly trying to trick them. Yet officers are expected to remain professional at all times. Even if the auditor's questions were intended to elicit a reaction, responding professionally is what's appropriate. Personal insults or judgments erode trust and demonstrate a dismissive attitude. Police should control their emotions and focus on their duties rather than making interactions personal.
Why are we recording today,
Shut
sir?
up.
YouTube
Go away.
channel?
Shut your mouth. I do not want to speak to you. Okay? You're wearing a defaced union
trying to-
flag and I want you
just
to
trying
take
to
it off.
engage with you.
Don't engage with me. Take off your badge. That's what you need to do.
What is your name?
What's yours?
Like you have.
Dismiss a lot of yours. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go on. Off you go.
What were you
Off you
doing
go.
looking at-
Off you go. You don't need to know. None of your
Why
business.
not?
It's none of your
This is
business.
police, you understand?
No, do you understand? Do you understand? Stop asking me questions. Okay?
Why?
Because I don't want you to.
If you were
Shut
looking-
up.
if I was
Stop
looking at
asking
your
me
house-
anything. I don't. You keep on
Would you
talking
not-
about your house. Is this
Yes,
your house?
It's probably
Is it
that
your
you're not allowed
house?
to get in.
Is it your house?
It's where I work.
Is it? You're not answering the question. Is it your house? Yes or no? Yes or no
not my
answer?
house.
It's not your house. No? Is that a no then, yeah?
But it's a-
So stop talking about if it's your house. It's not.
You're not allowed to get in there.
It's just quite
Who
poor
wants to go
behaviour
in
to
there?
record
Who
in
said
front
I'm
of
going to
a
go
police
in
station,
there?
Isn't it?
Don't tell me what I'm not allowed to do. Tell me what I am allowed to do.
Yeah.
Can we help you?
And that's
today?
filming.
this
You
is
can
not-
take off that badge. That's what you can do.
Okay.
Otherwise, Foxtrot Oscar, off.
Okay, well, I'm trying to talk to you. I don't know what I've done wrong to you. Why aren't you engaging
Okay.
with me?
All right, then I'll engage with you.
Okay.
Could you ask him to take off his
I'm talking to
his
you.
gang
It's got
badge?
nothing to do with
It's
him.
got
I'm
something to
talking to
do with you. He came up to me initially. He's
Okay.
wearing a badge
Well,
that
I've
I
now
find
approached you.
offending.
I've now approached
Okay,
you.
so he's wearing something which I'm
Okay.
finding very offensive. Could you ask
Okay.
him to take it off?
It's very
That's down to
offensive
him.
that you're-
It's not
If you
down
don't
to
like
him,
it
it's
so
down
much,
to
you.
you.
Can complain. You can complain.
Complain.
Can't
Oh, how ironic.
you? Well, it's not
How
down to me,
ironic.
is it?
How ironic.
Okay.
Complain about something that's offending a member of the public that's banned by Sir Mark Rowley. You're who? Commissioner? Is he the Met Commissioner?
He is.
And he's banned the badge, yeah?
I've not been told that. So.
Oh no. So who's your sergeant?
And sorry?
Who's your sergeant?
Today,
Well,
So-
why don't you
Who's
tell
your
us
sergeant?
name and then we
Tomlinson.
can-
Sergeant Tomlinson, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, Sergeant Tomlinson should be telling all Metropolitan Police officers not to be wearing that badge because it may offend members of the public. In this instance, it is offending me and I'm asking you to
Okay,
remove
what's
it.
that got to do if you recorded through the windows of my
I'm
colleague?
asking him to remove his badge.
But what's that got to do
Don't
if you
double
recorded through
double the
windows?
question. I'm asking him
You're
to
doing
move
the
his
same.
badge.
We're just trying to find out what you're
I
doing.
don't
It's
care. I
weird
don't want to
behaviour.
answer you anything.
All
Stop
right, then
telling
he
me
doesn't
about
wanna
weird
answer you.
behaviour.
It's
Oh,
very weird.
oh, so he can wear that
Very
badge,
weird
yeah?
behaviour.
Can he wear that badge?
Very weird
Can he
behaviour.
wear that badge?
I don't know what you're trying
Is
to
it breaking the
achieve
law
here.
by
I don't know what
filming
you're
in
trying to
there?
achieve here.
I'm not achieving
Filming through a
nothing.
window of a private place is.
Say that
In
again.
there is private and my colleague
And it's breaking the law. Arrest me.
so there's
Arrest
sensitive
me.
information in
Arrest
the
me.
recording.
Go on, arrest me.
What is your name?
If it's breaking the law, arrest me. Otherwise, don't talk rubbish, okay? Because you're really talking rubbish
So
now.
are you.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
And the thing about it is, I didn't come to you. I didn't ask you anything, did I?
We've come to you because you're recording. They've had to close the blinds.
Exactly.
because you're
They
recording.
asked. They should be closing the blinds.
What is that? What you're trying to achieve here?
Did I
Where's
say
this video
that?
going on YouTube?
Did I say anything? I'm asking you to tell him
These
to
videos
remove the
go on
badge.
YouTube, don't they?
Remove the
It's weird
badge.
that you're recording
Remove the
inside a police
badge.
station, uploading a video to YouTube.
Remove the badge. Tell him to
My
remove the
colleague
badge.
asked you a question. Why are you
will do.
recording?
Listen, do I have to answer a question?
Yes, you have to.
I have to.
This is police.
Who says? Who
This is
says I
police.
have to?
When the auditor asks, "Do I have to answer your questions?" one of the officers replies, "Yes, you have to." This is completely incorrect. In the UK, members of the public are not legally required to answer police questions unless they are being detained under a specific power or formally arrested. Outside of those situations, you have the full right to remain silent and simply walk away. This incident highlights either a lack of knowledge of the law on the officer's part or a deliberate attempt to mislead the public.
It's police.
You lot are trying to overstep your boundaries.
Imagine if I
You're
was
telling
recording
me.
in your,
Like you're well
like
kept,
to you
so
all the time.
Go on
what
then.
you do.
What are you doing there?
Suspicious male.
What are you doing there?
We record.
Exactly. You're recording me. You are recording me. Not imagine. You are.
Yes.
Exactly.
Because
What?
your behavior is
You know what?
strange.
Go.
This behavior is yet another example of officers overstepping boundaries and ignoring the standards they are supposed to uphold. It's always crucial to know your rights. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.